Engineering workflows are fragmented, notes, tasks, and docs scattered everywhere. Meet EngineerOS, one unified system that automatically organizes your entire workspace. Its semantic graph links notes to tasks, instantly revealing hidden connections, all powered by self-hosted security directly inside your own Supabase project. EngineerOS, one system for all your knowledge and workflow.
So, hello guys, myself Punsa. So, after a week of procrastination of like whether to launch it publicly or not, and so after lots of thinking and all procrastination, finally I'm launching the EngineerOS. It's like a type of a second brain where you can track and manage all your findings all at one place. Like you don't need to manage your GitHub, linear task, notions and obsidian, and you can manage it through a single one place. So let's go through it. So this is our dashboard. So where over here you will be getting to know what are the things you need to do today, where you can properly track it out, like what are the projects which you need to be doing, undertaking, then how many due tasks are needs to be finished, then what are the set reminders you have set for how many projects you are currently working on and how many streets you are currently ongoing. Like currently I am done 13 tasks this week versus 10 with last week. So there is plus 13% of increment like in memory, like yesterday what I was working on, like in today what I'm currently doing on, what's blocked and notes on open tasks and so on. So the overview like ML is overview for the particular date of the enter, which I need to currently finish it off. So like today's task is this, then for today's photos, what is the today's photos task, then recent notes, project progress, recent activities, like let's go through the projects. Like currently I'm doing internships, so over here I can create a own project and manage it like it or fully like the notes. We can check it out like in this is our note like so let's not disclose it too much. Then how many tasks I need to currently do or need to be finished. Then daily lots what I'm doing. Then resources what I have created or inserted over here. Then timelines it is like activities. Then let's go to the task section, like it's the Kanban board like Trello where you can easily create any task or things which you need to be do for today's. You can easily marketing backlog, to-dos in progress or it's done. So currently to-do is like one task, in progress it's one, and to be done is and which are done are 23. Then it's a calendar view, like how the Google Calendar works, like that's in similar manner I have created it one for myself. So it's easy for me to manage all the things through a single particular apps. And this is my knowledge part where I will be creating and storing all the notes. Then like this is a daily part like where I will be creating like morning goals, what I need to do, like journals for today's tasks, learn what are the things done, then wins, problems, tomorrow what I need to do, and so on. Then this is for code parts which I'm currently working on, like integrating the GitHub parts, GitHub through what and connecting it over here and writing down all those concepts which need to be done on the GitHub, all the changes. Then it's a bookmarks part like for bookmarking all those stuffs. Then this is a reading thing like what we are currently going reading on stuff and so on. Like it's an architecture, like if you want to capture any system design or system notes, then we can easily do through it. Like architecture notes, no projects, writing markdown, add notes. I am planning to add the support for image too over here. So let's go through the AI and intelligence stuffs. It's an assistant like the notebook that it's currently I'm building on. So I am planning to ask it over here. Notebook LM style assistant for like tracking like what all are all the things which I have currently done. So let's check it out. So what my open task says, summarize it. So it's currently trying to go through it and trying to get me the answers. So based on the provided workspace accept, so you have only one open task which is ML. So here, over here, we can generate the mind map like we see all the knowledge graphs like we will be connecting all the dots to like graphs and knowledge graphs and all which we are aware of about it. So it's try to take me all those stuffs like it connects all the dots between them and it helps me to visualize it much more faster and much more efficiently. Here are our graphs like what are those stuffs which I'm currently going on and building on it. Then like if we want to automate any stuffs like for recurring tasks like meetings I am currently ongoing so I can currently do it, set it up over here. Then quick capture auto try it like if you want to capture any keyword based things we can automatically do it like for daily rollover plus minus if you want to set like morning goes tomorrow into days and so on. If you want to interact with our PDFs though, like over here, we can check it out and do the interactions over here. Then if you want to automate all those stops using voice inbox, if you want to record it, so over here we can do those stops. Like if you want to make the habits, like what are my habits which I'm currently going on, we can set it up like if we won't have any some particular goals to set and track progress towards it. So we can do it over here. Again, I have given the Pomodoro timer like for tracking and checking all those stuff like for 25 hour minutes. Then for short breaks, if you want to do it, and long breaks, if you want to do it, then for sleep, if you want to do, or if you want to reset, we can do it. Then we can do customize it like for how many minutes we want to set for photos, short break, long break. Then for snippets, if you want to store any kind of snippets, we can store it over here. Then if you want to create and store all those contacts which you want while working, we can store it over here. Then if you want to store all those meeting stuff, we can do it over here. Then for seconds, like we can, I have given one more support like for bring your own space key. Like we can set over the weekly digest to which we can get it over here like for AI providers like you can bring your own API key for any of those things and it can set it up in and take those answers with AI and so on. So it got up to you. So like for voice agent go like we can set it up like we can automate like how the we do it with the voice assistant in the ChatGPT. So like over here too we can do it like we can set it up any of the voice providers and interact fully throughout the voice mode too. I have given the OpenAI support like the Answer AI support itself, then it's having 11 labs and Kotoro by Hugging Face. Then for integrations, currently I'm working on its in progress of the GitHub part. Then it's for appearance, like if you want to set it dark mode, light mode. Then for data, it's like you can easily export all your data in .md format or in .csv format. Or if you want to import tasks any from CSV or import notes from MD files, so you can do it over here. Then if you want to delete your account, you can log it out or delete your account. So this is my project which I am currently build. So thank you for giving me such a amazing time of yours and spending some of the moments out of a busy schedule and checking out this project. So thank you.